that you're the only one who sets me free. Grace don't come in bottles, it comes from a cross where you bled for the addict, the broken, the lost. And you walked in my midnight and turned it to dawn. So tonight I raise my hands and not this poison. You're in me, and tonight, Lord, that's enough for me. I found hope where I used to bleed. You're the only one who sets me free. I was lost with a bottle in my hand. Now I'm found with your mercy in my hands. You help me lower it down, and you never let go.